This is Moran, and today we are going to try and create a rainbow. If you can see some of my supplies, I have jars, and I have a spoon, and I have paper towels, and I have a jug of water. So first I'm going to add water to these glass jars. And I'm gonna do every other jar. I'm gonna leave an empty jar in between. Okay. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jars. All right. And I also have some food color. I have one. What color is this, my friends? You're right, it's yellow. 2, what color? You're right, it's red. And 3, what color? I think I heard it. You're right, it's blue. So great job. All right, so I am gonna start by adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of red. And I'm gonna take my spoon and I'm gonna stir it. I'm going to add I took the cover off, but I'm gonna add what color? I think I heard it. I think I heard someone say yellow. 3, 4, 5. 5 drops. And we're gonna stir. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Yeah, it looks like yellow. What does this look like? Red. You're right. And now last but not least, we're going to use this color. So this is our third. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of blue. So now I'm going to stir and I'm going to mix, just like the mice did in that story we read the other day. What are you gonna do? What color? You're right, it's blue. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll some paper towels. So you're gonna roll them, and you're gonna roll them, and you're gonna roll them, and twist them up. And it kind of is gonna look like a straw. You're gonna roll up another one. So you're gonna put 2 together. So you're gonna roll it and roll it. Okay. All right. So then we're gonna twist these together. All right, so then we're going to add these. So we have our 3 colors. We have red, we have, whoops, it's upside down. We have yellow, you're right, good job. We have yellow, and we have blue, good job, blue. So then we're gonna take our twisted paper towels, we're gonna take our empty jar, and we're gonna put our paper towels in the empty jar, and then we're gonna add them to our jar with our colors. I might have to add more water. Hi friends, it's Mrs. Moran, and I just wanted to show you what the jars look like. What is happening? So we have our red jar, and look what it's doing. It's dripping into that jar. Let's see. We have our blue jar, our blue and yellow jar, and it's dripping into that jar. I don't know if you can see what colors it's making. I can see it. I think it's my favorite color. I'm so excited. And that one is making another color. The red and the yellow is making a color. And the blue and the red, I don't know if you can see that color. That's really dark. But it's dripping. So I think it's working. I think we did a great job making a rainbow. So we started out with red and yellow and blue. And I think we're going to have more colors when we're finished. It's been a few minutes and look what's happening to our colors. Can you see any more colors besides the red and the yellow and the blue? I think I can. I think they're doing a lot of work and they're making us a rainbow. Very cool. Hi friends, I just wanted to show you all the colors that we have made. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to show you. So our paper towels are soggy. So we have red, but we had red to start. And now we made what color? What does this look like? You're right, it's orange. We made orange. And one of our other primary colors was yellow. So the primary colors are red and yellow. And our soggy paper towels. And blue. Right? Is that blue? It is blue. Good guess. All right, so then we have red and yellow. And red and yellow made, I think I heard it. I think I heard orange. So red and yellow made orange. What color? Blue. You're right. And yellow made this color. What color? It made green. Blue and yellow made green. And then blue and red together made what color? Made this dark color. What color do you see? You're right, it's purple. So with all that, so we have red and orange and yellow and green and blue and purple. So that, my friends, is our rainbow. That is our rainbow of colors. There's them. Great job. I hope you enjoyed this activity.